Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use the variant option product options app on Shopify. Even if you are a complete beginner, we will go through step by step on how to set it up so you can start offering personalized product options in no time. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon. That way you won't miss on any of our upcoming tutorials and tips that will help you take your e-commerce game to the next level. All right, now let's begin. The variant option product options on Shopify app is a tool designed to enhance the capabilities of the standard product variant options available in Shopify. While Shopify's native functionality allows for up to 3 options per product like size, color, and style with a maximum of 100 variants, this app provides more flexibility and features to handle complex product configurations. You see, these are going to be the app features. It has infinite product options. You can choose from buttons, color swatches, image swatches, radio buttons, and a lot more. You have an image and color swatches and a price add-ons. Now, for example, this is gonna be the variant. You can have like a small, medium, large, and then you have more option for other colors. All right. You can put the personalized or even the custom logo if you wanted. So these are just some of the examples when you try variant option product options. All right. Now, as you can see, you can choose the color. There's a lot that you can work with. All right, and they offer a risk-free 14-day generous free trial when you click on the install app. Now, you have 2 options. You can either click the install app here on their official website or hover to your Shopify, whichever you are comfortable. Look, click this button right here, and you would be forwarded here on the Shopify App Store. Now, you see, they give you a demo store if you wanted to test waters. Okay, for example, this one, and again, it was the same option earlier, right? I'm going to click install this app, and by now, I assume that you already have your Shopify store ready set up, okay? Because this app will allow you to seamlessly work with the most of the Shopify themes, meaning it should integrate smoothly without needing extensive custom coding. Okay? Now, I want you to click on the apps section if you haven't already. All right? And then from the apps on the left side panel of your dashboard, go to all recommended apps and go to Shopify App Store. It is the same interface that we have seen earlier. Click on search apps, and we're going to search for the variant option. See that? Click on that, and this is going to be, and we want you to click on the install. What will happen is you would be forwarded here on the next page, wherein we have the option to click on install, and this app needs access to a lot of your data. Click on install and wait for it and follow the on-screen prompt. Now, the next step is just to install the app, as you can see it from here. And this is how the variant product options would look like. All right, so these are going to be on the title. Of course, you can add more information here, such as your text, blocked inventory status, and custom liquid, if you wanted to have more control over the themes. Right? Now, for now, I'm going to save it as it is. Okay? And click on that. And this is going to be for the default product. All right? Now, I want you to choose a product so you can add options to a single product. And this is going to be this. No, we're looking for this product right here. Click on select. And from here, we can add an image. Okay, and we can add virtual options. All right. Now, click on the add virtual option. You can put in some title. For example, this is going to be the title, and that is going to be the type. So, for example, this is going to be a drop down. Click on OK. Now, on the settings, you can have, of course, all this option you can put in for the default setting for Shopify for your drop down, auto select first variant, show first variant image on load. All right, main image fixed. The border style could be round, square, or invincible. And of course, you can put in the sold out style for transparent and cross out. You can use the dark theme if you wanted, and the color swatch size could be small, medium, and large. And image swatch size could be these, all option. All right. You can add to cart action, card, or theme default if you want it, or continue shopping. So we're going to put in as much as we can. And you could also put in some global auto images. All right. For the add to color, maybe this one's going to be red. And you can put in as much as many colors as you can. Of course, you have to rename the specific color. Once you've done that, go to the VO product options, but you have to click on save first. Okay. And then go to the variant product options. As you can see, when you go to the Shopify options, all right, it will show up 3 options up to 100 variants. And these variants can be linked to inventory. And if you click on the edit Shopify options, you see you will be welcome here on this section. So these are going to be your Shopify options. All right. After that, now here, of course, you can change the scheme. For example, this one. Maybe we're looking for the blue one. And of course, you can constrain media to screen height, original to fill, test up layout, and you can adjust the button padding, and of course, the theme settings here. So there's a lot that you can work with. You can add another block if you wanted. For example, it's going to be the SKU or the inventory status. So there's a lot of that you can work with. Now you can add, for example, if the customer added more quantity here, they would be able to see that. Okay. You can also check for the desktop view, the mobile view, which is going to be this one, and for full screen. All right. So there's a lot of that you can work with in terms of the. Now, if you're happy with that, you can also duplicate all the information here. For example, this variant option. Just have to select the product whose settings you want to duplicate. For example, this one. All right. Click that and click the duplicate so you won't have to start from scratch. This is one of the handy features of variant products for you to be able to replicate the successful settings for a specific product that you wanted. Click on duplicate, and that's that. All right. And again, the variant product option is a powerful app tool for Shopify merchants looking to expand their product customization capabilities beyond the standard Shopify limits. By offering more options and customizations, you can provide a better customer experience, differentiate your store, and potentially increase your sales. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.